Welcome back to SmartTake Zoom In. Today, we're talking all about connecting custom objects to knowledge vaults. Most of you are using HubSpot to store all of your contacts, companies, deal information, which is really the primary information that most folks use within their CRM. But for those of you that are using HubSpot to even more advanced level, you're probably using custom objects. Custom objects allow you to store all different types of information about your business inside of HubSpot and then connect that or associate that to the other records like contacts or companies in your CRM. And so, specifically, what we're talking about today is connecting those custom objects to knowledge vaults. Knowledge vaults are used within custom assistants and Breeze agents to be able to give them complete context of your business. And so, specifically, why you would want this update is that if you would like to create an assistant in the future that is able to look at custom object data and answer questions and take action on it, you need all of that connected. And so what I'll show you first is just how do you connect custom objects to knowledge vaults, and then how do you connect that to your assistant. So we'll go ahead and share my screen. What we're going to do is we'll click into the Breeze section, click on knowledge vaults, and that'll take you into this area where you'll click on create vault. You'll give it a name, whatever your custom object data is, and then you'll scroll to the bottom. You're going to connect your custom objects via a segment or a list inside of HubSpot. What you'll do is click on add, and then you'll click on this drop down that says object, click on custom objects. And inside here, you'll then go ahead and select this, add segments, and then you'll give it a name and a description. And then that's what you have to be able to then pull into an agent or a custom assistant. For mine, we have a custom object that we use to track all of our review data, all of our customer advocacy data. And that's how we built our knowledge vault, one of our knowledge vaults based on. And so how you can then use this once your knowledge vault is created is you'll go into your assistance area, which you'll click on assistant at the top, and then you'll click on this drop down and then manage assistants. From here, you'll then be able to click on create assistant. I click on start from scratch. And let's say this specific assistant, we would like this to use for customer marketing related tasks or questions. You go in here, update the welcome message, the agent instructions, and then here's the part where you connect your custom object to your assistant. And so for mine, I have a reviews custom object. I click on add and then close that out. And you can see what that assistant specifically knows. It knows all about that specific custom object. And so here going forward, what I can do is ask this assistant questions all about that custom object or what it's associated with. I can find all kinds of information that is associated with that type of custom object. So if you have people internally that work in a specific custom object quite a bit, and maybe they need help querying it or taking action off it, like writing content or anything like that, that's where this update's really going to be useful for you. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for joining SmartTake Zoom In. See you next time.
Thank you for watching.